Hello crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Airdropachiever, your ultimate gateway to crypto opportunities. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our crypto opportunities. We've got some groundbreaking news today. Introducing the Zealy Ultimate Leaderboard Challenge. Our prize pool is a whopping $100 MATIC, and here's how it breaks down. The top 5 achievers will get $5 MATIC each, totaling to $25 MATIC. The next 25 achievers, that's ranks 6 to 30, will get $2 MATIC each, adding up to $50 MATIC. And that's not all. We have random draws too. 10 lucky participants from rank 31 to 100 will get $1 MATIC each in our random draw, and another 15 from rank 101 to 200 will also get $1 MATIC each in a separate draw. Exciting, right? Now, let's move on to how you can become a part of this challenge and get a chance to win these incredible prizes. Participation is super easy. Let's go through the steps together. Head to Zealy.io, or you can join directly via our link. I'll drop all the links in the description. Click on Create an Account, assuming you don't have one. Connect via Discord or Wallet Connect. I recommend using Wallet Connect as you'll need to connect it anyway for receiving the rewards. Now enter a username. Mine is Jeremy. Ah, it's taken. How about Jeremy E? Hee. Next, you'll need to select the objective you're joining Zealy for. Contribute to projects now. Earn rewards. Now click Next. Get started. Search for Airdropachiever. And voila, we're joined. Hey, wait a second. That's a girl's profile. I'm a grown man, dude. Let's change it real quick. Click Profile, then Account Settings. Click on the image and choose an image from the folder. I'll choose Zealy's icon for now. If this video gets 20k likes, which seems nearly impossible, I will reveal my face. Jokes aside, let's head over to the quests and get started. Oh look, here's a joining bonus for you. Cool, click it. Claim reward. You need to link your Twitter first. Let's do it. Okay, now let's claim the joiner's delight. Yep, it's done. Next up, we need to complete all the quests in the welcoming section to unlock the further sections. Let's quickly finish these, step by step. Follow on Twitter. Claim reward. It takes a few seconds. Quest claimed. Hooray. Now join Telegram. Done. Yes, I have already joined. Claim reward. Visit the Airdropachiever website for the best in exploring crypto airdrops and more. Click Visit this page. Notification pop-up. Click IEESA. Now let's explore further. There are airdrops, popular, latest, and closed sections. There are blogs for crypto-related stuff, a frequently asked question, and a contact form. Let's explore the airdrops page. Here you get a sortable table of all airdrops, where you can sort by winners, end date, value, likes, etc. I'm messing this up. Let's go back and claim reward. Bring your crypto companion. Oh, let's finish the YouTube quest first. Here, we need to subscribe to the Airdropachiever's YouTube channel. Click on Visit this page, then subscribe. subscribed and claim your reward. And then there are more quests to finish. I'm going to fast forward this to save you some time. Don't worry, I'll slow down when there's something that needs explaining. Okay, here for inviting your friends to this giveaway. Head over to the top center. Here's the Invite Friends button, kinda fancy. Click it and your invite link is copied. Now you can go and share with your friends. For the Instagram part, visit the Instagram page. Click follow and get a screenshot. Perfect. Now get back to Zealy and submit the screenshot. After submission, it will be reviewed manually, so make sure you complete each quest genuinely. Well, we have completed almost all the quests of the welcoming section. We're just waiting for our friends to join and for the Instagram quest review. There's also a daily check-in reward. It appears locked, but it's actually not. Weird, right? Anyway, let's claim the reward. As you can see, there are a lot of quests you can unlock and complete one after the other. Let me quickly do the retweet quest. Okay, now, let's check out the leaderboards. There are two boards, actually. One is for all time, and one is for this current sprint, which is the giveaway we are talking about. As this giveaway wasn't officially announced yet, but enthusiasts found it as soon as we launched. This is gonna be competitive. Over on the right, you can check the giveaway details officially. The top participant has already completed 57 quests, which is spectacular. So, this is how you can participate in the Airdropachiever's Zealy Ultimate Leaderboard Challenge. The more quests you complete, the higher you climb on the leaderboards. Now that you're in, here are some insider tips to boost your chances of winning. Listen up, folks. Tip 1. Stay active. The more you engage in the challenge, the higher your chances of winning. Tip 2. Complete quests. Keep an eye out for any bonus quests or tasks. These could shoot you up the leaderboard. Tip 3. Spread the word. Share about the challenge on your socials. More people joining through your link can get you bonus points. With these tips in your arsenal, you're all set to conquer the leaderboard. Here are some key dates you need to mark on your calendar. The challenge ends on June 4, 2023 at 12:00 p.m. UTC. Make sure you've racked up all your points by then. We'll be announcing the winners on June 5, 2023 at 12:00 p.m. UTC. We'll pick the winners from the Zealy Leaderboards and announce them on all our platforms. And the best part? The prizes will be sent directly to your Zealy connected wallets within 24 hours of the announcement. So, there you have it, folks. The Zealy Ultimate Leaderboard Challenge is live. Dive right in and climb up the leaderboard. By the way, have you checked out MEXC Exchange yet? It's one of the leading crypto trading platforms, offering a variety of features like spot trading, futures contracts, ETP, margin trading, and staking services. It's like the Swiss Army knife of crypto. We're proud affiliates of MEXC Exchange because we believe it offers a great experience for crypto enthusiasts like us. So, if you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and give MEXC a whirl. We think you'll like it. Remember, the crypto world is all about community. Engage with fellow participants, share your progress, and spread the word. Let's all do our best and make this challenge a big success together. Keep up with all our latest updates, airdrops, giveaways, and more by connecting with us on our social media channels. We're on Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, Discord, and YouTube. You can find the links in the description box below. Don't forget to check out our website airdropachiever.in for the latest in the crypto world. At Airdropachiever, we're all about helping you enhance your crypto portfolio. Join us as we navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Here's to your crypto success. Until next time, goodbye from Airdropachiever.